Welcome back everyone, I'm back with another renovation video. If you missed my other ones, press the icon in the corner. And today we're going to be renovating this car. To be honest, this car kind of looks like a turtle, and no offense to the turtles. Here I'm removing some of the pieces in the Lego minifigure so we can have space to work with. I removed all the pieces except for the base. Then I changed the fenders from black to white and light green. Then I changed the base to a white color because it contrasts well with the colors of the fenders. Then I connected two 2x4 flats and placed it to these pieces, which I can put on top of the base and it'll hold on for now. And then I added the wheels. Then I removed the 2x2 right under because it was too tall. Then I did the same to the other side. Then I connected the rest of the wheels. And I connected the last fenders. I placed two 2x4 plates on the bottom so it'd be a little bit more sturdier. Then I placed a 2x4 plate on the top and a studs on the side piece and 4 slopes. Then I got a 1x4 plate and a 1x4 tile and placed it there. I added a license plate and these slopes. Then I got a 1x2 plate and one of these pieces and a clip piece, and I also added a steering wheel and connected it right there. Then I placed a 1x4 and stacked it up on another 1x4 and placed it right there. Then I added these pieces to make the mirrors by the car. Then I placed a 1x4 tile right there. Then I added two 1x4 plates on each side and two of these pieces on each side. I placed a car glass piece right in the front, and I also made one of these pieces, and I placed a 1x2 right under, and I placed it right there. Then I got a studs on a side piece and a 2x4 plate, and I placed it right there. And I also placed another one right there. I got a handlebar piece and a clip piece, and I placed a 1x4 tile to make a cool sports car spoiler. I checked if it looked good this way, but it didn't, so I left it how it was. Here I placed two 1x2 plates on each side, and I did the same, just a little further. Then I added the other glass piece and the roof. I didn't really like this opening because it didn't really look good, so I removed the roof and the glass, and I removed two of these 1x2 plates and this 2x4 plate. Then I placed two 1x2 plates on each side, and then I add many slopes and many tiles. Then I changed this 1x2 tile to a slope pieces because I think it looked better that way. That way it looks more smooth. Then I placed the glass and the roof back on. And now let's do the back. For the back, I started to place a 1x1 plate on each side. I made a red transparent and a 1x2 transparent piece to make the back lights. Then I placed the license plate. I placed a 1x2 plate, then a 1x2 bracket piece, and two 1x1 tiles to make it look old tiled off. Here's the turtle car. And here's the sports car. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.